So today I will be unboxing the SilverStar all steam iron. SilverStar was acquired by Yusung some time ago, and this is the BSP model. Alright, let's see what's in the box. This is the shoe, right? So this is it, and this is the steam hose, right? Alright, this is another steam hose because it uses two steam hoses. It's all steam iron. This is the steam protector from SilverStar that go around the hose. Alright, this is the instruction manual, and it includes other iron models. And this is the BSP-600 steam iron. So this is what gives the steam push type, right? This is the inlet from the boiler, hot water boiler, and this is the return. This is the regulator. And what I like about this, it's chrome and nice clean finish, and it's broad enough. I'm doing some linen for resort wear, and this would be ideal to get those wrinkles out of the linen, or not out, but because you know that crush effect is a natural part of linen, but I'll be using this. Alright, so that's it. No, that's not it. This is the silicone iron rest. Alright, let me pull it. Alright, so this is where the iron goes, right? And the iron is placed like this, right here. So that's it for it. I'm gonna hook up this to the boiler, and I might do another video for that. Alright, so thank you. The length on this is in the description of the hose. Is in the description. I think it's 6 feet. Well, it's not on this. So this comes with a separating zipper. This protects the heat element from the steam coming from the boiler.